How to make Roblox text to speech. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, open your CapCut. Here I have a clip from Roblox game, and also I have added a PNG from Google that I have downloaded earlier. So first of all, you have to download this image from Google or whatever website you like, but make sure it is PNG. So after that, you have to simply click on this text button to add your text, and again click on add text. Simply type your text here, and now simply adjust the position and time of that text. So after that, you have to add the text speech by clicking on the text and simply click on this text to speech. Here select your desired voice you want to go with, so let's go with this one. So it take few seconds. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video will help you out. So this is how you can make Roblox text to speech.